This is a quick motivational video just to show you that I'm having success with the method I'm using, and the method I'm using is very simple, and I've gone in depth explaining exactly how to do it in this video. 257 sales on Match by Amazon from one t-shirt, and it's that same t-shirt giving me these results right here. So guys, if you haven't watched that video, I recommend that you do. So I just wanted to quickly mention that if you're having difficulties getting accepted into Match by Amazon, shoot me an email and we might be able to work something out. For the purposes of those who haven't watched that video yet, I'm just going to quickly summarize it for you. So what I do is I choose a niche and I give you those niches every Monday, the 5 top niches of the week. I give it to you every Monday. So when you pick a niche, the next thing is to design it. I use Vexels to design all my t-shirts. And the plan that I recommend that you choose is the lifetime plan. You pay once for it and you never have to pay again. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Once I've created my design with Vexels, the next thing is to upload my design to Match by Amazon, and I use Flying Upload for this. I was just uploading some designs to all these print on demand platforms. As you can see here, Printful was going. I had to pause it because I had to make this video, and you can upload to all these platforms, including Printify. Printify is one of the newest that have been added. The last one that was added was Tostadora, and the newest one here is Printify. So I was uploading to Printful, but these are the other ones you can upload to. So once I've uploaded to Match by Amazon right here, the next thing I need to do is to promote it. I usually go to YouTube to promote all my t-shirts, and what I do is I go to YouTube and search for the niche. When I get an influencer that I would like to work with, I email the influencer. Just go to the influencer's YouTube channel like this, go to the about page, and you're going to see, scroll down, and you're going to see details right here. So it says for business inquiries via email. What you want to do is click and you're going to see the email, and you just grab it and you're going to email that YouTuber asking how much you should pay for that, the promotion of your t-shirt, including the influencer's house address, so you can ship them a sample of it, because they're going to get on camera and wear that t-shirt and promote it for you. And people always like to purchase t-shirts from their favorites or their favorite YouTubers. So you're just going to sit back and relax and watch the sales coming. And before they promote the video, I would recommend that you go to Amazon Associates and grab a link from there. Once your YouTuber friend promotes a t-shirt for you and the customer clicks on the link you got from Amazon Associates, you're going to be paid by Amazon Associates for referring that customer to Amazon. So it's like shooting two birds with one stone, like I like to call it, because you're going to be paid for referring that customer to Amazon, as well as you're going to be paid on Merch by Amazon itself. So you're kind of being paid twice for the sale of one t-shirt. So I'm making sales right here on Match by Amazon, as well as making sales on Amazon Associates. So this is one of the very easiest and passive way to make money online. This has been working for me for some time. The last time I had 257 sales. Now I'm having 289 sales, guys. It only keeps getting better. I received a request from Peter Ikil 3 days ago asking me what fonts I use for my designs. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I go ahead and do my t-shirt designs using Merch Informer. So Merch Informer is an all-in-one tool that you ever need for your print-on-demand business. You can go for the newbie plan, which is $9.99 monthly, or you can go for the professional plan, which is $59.99 monthly. And this is the professional plan that I'm using right here. This is how that plan looks like. When you come here, and if you're not familiar with Merch Informer, just come right to the tutorials, and it's going to tell you how everything works, like the merch merchant search, merch hunter, competition checker, Etsy Pinterest search, trend hunter, merch archive. Here are other features you can use, the tools, trademarks, keyword search, competition checker, product research. There's basically everything that you need to run your print-on-demand business, including listing on to Merch by Amazon, as well as single upload interface. That's another listing to all the print-on-demand platforms. Then you also have the academy where they teach you how to design. Then they also have free graphics for subscribers. So what I'm going to use today to design is called Merch Designer. So I already opened it up right here. What we're going to be designing is this t-shirt here on Amazon, working on my dartboard. So I usually like going for word-based designs because they're easy to create and they're cap on the feelings of the customer. So I'm going to recreate this design. I'm not going to upload it to Merch by Amazon. I'm just showing you how I go about creating my design. So I'm going to create this design working on my dartboard. I'm going to go to Merch Informer and they have several. Now, once you open this is going to pop up. They want you to select the product that you want to create your design on. And I usually like going for t-shirts. And the other products that you can design on, this is the hoodie, then there's a pop socket. I'm going to go with the t-shirt. Give me a blank canvas like this, and you can come to product and change the product color if you want maybe to design on a black shirt like this one looks right here. It's a black shirt with a white text, and we're going to do that on a black shirt. If you want to design any other color, maybe a white t-shirt, you're going to do that and change the other colors. What I'm going to show you is the text. You can upload images as well as use clip art, text, shapes, as well as other drawings. So you can rearrange the layers right here. I won't put anything so you wouldn't see anything here. And the text is what I use. So they have the curved text, oblique, bridge, so many texts that you can use. But the ones that I like using is this and this, either Oswald or Anton, depending on the design. So I hope I've answered your question, Peter EQ. That's the font of the design that I like to use. And for this one that we're trying to recreate, it says working on my dartboard. So the working has a curved text, and I'm gonna edit it. If you want to do is you can edit it by going right back here to the text effects, and here's the spacing. You can either increase it or reduce it, and you can mess with the radius if you want it small or if you want it big like this. So it really depends on you how you want it to be. Or if you don't want this one, you could choose this bridge text, which I really like working, or you could try the oblique. We're not doing the oblique right now. Instead of choosing this one right here, working on my like the normal working, you could try and do something unique, make your design stand out, which is one thing that I always try to do, and do something like this working. So this looks pretty nice. And going back here, it says working on my dartboard. So the on my is small, and I'm gonna use Anton for this. Just double click on it and you can change it. And I'm gonna in all caps on my, and you can change this to white and enlarge it a little bit, but not too big because it has to be small. And come back here, it says dartboard. So dartboard is pretty big, and you can duplicate that, come back here and edit it instead of doing everything over again. On my dad, very big, enlarge it to board, BOD. So what I did there was just copy it and BOD like that. So maybe we can make this a little bit small. I mean the on my, let's take a little bit of space and rearrange this, that board. So it's really up to you how you want to design your t-shirt, but try to do something that doesn't really already exist, because if it already exists, what is the guarantee that they're going to choose your t-shirt over what is already present and or has already been making sales? So you have to do something that is a little bit different, and that's why I decided to go with this working, which is a curved text and a little bit different from what is already on Merch by Amazon right here. And let's make this board bigger and the dot smaller, just like that. So can make this, let's exit that, make this a little bit bigger like that, then reduce the dot a little bit like that, reduce on my a little bit too like that. So to me, this looks perfect. If you want to add color to it, that's really up to you. But looking at this looks perfect to me. So what I want to do right now is to go to file, and you either save the design or you could download it. So one thing that I like about Merch Informa is that you're downloading your design, it comes out to be 4500 by 5400 pixels, which is the exact Merch by Amazon dimensions to upload to their t-shirt design. So that's one thing that I like to do. If you're using something, a free service like Canva, you will have to remove the background. If you're using the free version, you have to remove the background. So I don't like going through all those hoops and loops. So I just like going directly and designing on the t-shirt as I'm seeing it right here, looking good on the t-shirt. And I know that it's perfect for that t-shirt, and I don't have to remove any background. All I have to do is just to download, and I'm just going to click download and it's going to download. So it says downloading, and boom, it has downloaded. So if you open that, you will see that it's a little bit white, that's why you can't see it, but it is 4500 by 5400 pixels. I'm just going to upload it to my flying upload so you can see the dimensions. So I'm going to go back, just going to quickly exit this, then come down here, download it one more time, reduce it. What I'm trying to do is drag and drop it. That's what I like to do to all my designs. So I just drag it and drop. And as you can see right here, it has uploaded. If you look at this, it says working on my dad belt. Very easy design. If you want to color it, like add a little bit more color to it, that's really up to you. And as you can see here, it says 4500 by 5400 pixels. That's what I was trying to show to you, that Merch Informa lets you design on the pixels required by Amazon, which is 4500 by 5400 pixels. So as I was just talking with you, I know it had a sale again and it's now 290. Now the day is not over. I think I'm gonna have more than this today, and I just have to make a video. So maybe in an update, I'm gonna show you exactly how many sales, the total sales I had today. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print-on-Demand and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.